Hi, everybody. It is day 14 of the Christmas countdown. I could be wrong about that, but I think it's day 14. Anyway, so today my ornament is a snowman. Here's the example. And this is what I made. Isn't it so cute? I think I'm obsessed with the googly eyes. But yeah, I think it's so cute. I've only made one, but I'm most likely going to make another one because it is just so stinking cute. But anyway, so today's song suggestion is a medley by Ella Fitzgerald. One song is "O Little Town in Bethlehem," and "We Three Kings." It's beautiful. She has a beautiful voice anyway, so if you hear it, it puts you in a Christmas mood. Also, the movie suggestion for the day is "It's a Wonderful Life," a classic movie, and I think I love it because the angel's name is Clarence, and that is the name of my grandfather. So we'll put her little here. Little googly eyes here. You guys can see it. Yep, right there. So let's see. Yep, it is day 14 because yesterday was day 13. So let's see. Day 14 is part of the train. Let's see. This might be a different shape, guys. Nope. It's like the little egg. So that's that. And then, so day 14, let's see on this calendar. Oh, it's another longer box. So this is day 14. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's a hook. It is a hook. It is 2.5 millimeters. I keep wanting to say milliliters like I'm drinking, but let's see. So for day 14, it's an easy grip crochet hook with finger hold 14 centimeters times 2.5 millimeters. The soft handle on this hook prevents the wrist and hand strain. Happy crocheting. And you know I love to crochet, so yes, this comes in handy. And I actually used this size hook earlier this week, and it wasn't that comfortable, so this will help me out. So that's today, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this holiday season. Bye.